Good morning, family. Good morning, family. Today it's a happy Sunday. So, guys, those who are still watching my videos, I hope you guys saw my work and I hope you guys followed. Okay, let's do a recap of what happened yesterday. Remember yesterday, if you can check what we did yesterday, was amazing because I just told you guys use only one number, which was the 20, the best chord yesterday. This strategy, it works. Like, it works. If you follow, it's going to work. So remember, as I told you, that when you want to get bankers, you multiply by 7. 7 is the 7 numbers of Uk49, which gives you what? 140. Let's say 140. And then when you check, already it gives you bankers for tea and lunch. 40 came on lunch, and then 14 came on tea time. Cool. So this is what the way to get the bankers before you even do anything. So now you know that 40 or 14 was supposed to drop, and it dropped. It landed well. So the formula that I use for yesterday's formula, it was 6, 5, 9, and then the base chord was 20. As you can see, also 6 was a good banker. It was 6 on top, 6 on tea time. We're no longer using the chords now. We're using a different strategy linked to the algorithm. We don't use for chords on Uk49. If you use chords, we can't win. So I'm just proving to you what happened yesterday, guys, so that you follow exactly what I say. Okay, so as you know, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, 7 is the 7th ball, so we put it down there, 7. My base chord was 20, which when we add, it was giving me a what? A 21. So you say what? When you subtract, it gives me a what? 19. So with the 19, because it had dropped on lunch, so they had to multiply by 2. It gave us a 38 at the bottom there. Can you see that? We're going step by step so that you guys can understand. Okay, so if we go again and say 20 plus 2, it gave us a 22, which 22 did not drop, but they multiplied by 2. It gave us a 44. 44 came on tea time. On tea time, I managed to get 6 numbers correct. Yes, I did not play, but I managed to get them 6 numbers correct. Because as you can see, 22 did not drop. So they did what? They multiplied by 2, they got a 44. And then if you check again there, if you say 20 minus 18 minus 20 minus 3, you get a 17. 17 landed very well on tea time. If you say 17 times 2, you get 34. So now it's an alternate collaboration of these two strategies, multiplication and division, if it's an odd. But if it's an even number, you can divide. If it's an odd, you don't divide. Like 17 is an odd number, so they can't divide it. Instead, they had to multiply by 2 to get a 34, which came as a bonus ball. But if this number was divisible, then they would divide it instead. Okay, and then we go again and say 20 plus 4, which gave us a what? A 24. 24 came on what? On lunchtime as a bonus ball. Do you see that? It came as a bonus ball. And then, because 24 is a divisible number, it's an even number, they divided it by 2, they got a 12. A 12 that came in form of what? 21 at the bottom and on tea time. So guys, what we do here, we do lunch and tea same time. We crash. We don't have to keep on using the course doing lunch and tea. This is Uk49. It's one number. It's one thing. It's like UK. It's like Powerball. So we predict once, lunch and tea. So do you see how 21st came? The 21st already, it dropped from the beginning when they said 20 plus 1. It just gave them what? A 21st, which is 21. Okay. And then now they did say again 20 plus 5. It gave them a 25. And then when they subtracted, it gave them a 15. So as you can see these numbers now, 15 and 25, none of them dropped. So these numbers like this, when you're doing UK49, the number which has been skipped, especially last night, just put them down, like put 15, 25, and put these numbers on the bonus balls, but for the both draws, because they did not drop. But what they're going to do in UK49, because these guys are so clever, today they're going to take that 25 and add 2 plus 5. It's going to give them what is 7, which can be also the bonus ball for today. Am I clear on that, guys? I hope you guys are catching up and are following exactly what I'm saying. And then that one, the 15, because it did not drop, they're going to subtract 1 minus 5. It gives them what? A 4. So it's a 4-7. They can split that number, 4-7 or 14-7. Remember, this 14 is going to drop today. It's going to come back again. This 14, because this 14 now, it's either they're going to spin that number into 41, or they bring it as a 14. And it's also a divisible number. They can divide it by 2, and then it's going to give us what? A 7. That is why I'm 100% sure that the 7 might come as well. Okay, so this is just a recap. When you check at the last, it was 20 plus 7, which was supposed to give us a what? A 27. 27 did not drop. Instead, what they did, they added that number. It gave them a 9. A 9 dropped as a 6, which came in double draws, lunch and tea time. Okay, so now we are going to do, I'm going to give you this for today, but the main thing that I need you guys to do, you guys must come and join my group. So today's code is 147, which is a what? 41, 14 and 7 there at the top, and then the 4. Do you see? This is just the code. It's not the base. The base number is different than the code. So you see this code 147. You don't add, you don't subtract, you split 41 or 14 or 7. Because even though you can say 14 minus 7, it gives you what? A 7. If you add, it gives you 21. 21 dropped last night, so they won't bring him. Okay. And then the base code number today is 759. Watch these numbers. You're going to split them like 7, 5, 9. 6 already came. So the base number there is 21, which I just mentioned. No. Okay, so what you're going to do, add or subtract 1 to 7. That's what you do, guys. You see, I'm teaching you every day, and there's always a proof of the numbers after the results. You understand? So this is the algorithm of UK49 and how it goes along with the numbers. This is how we use to track the numbers, on which numbers are going to drop and on which numbers are not going to drop. So the task that I'm giving you today is you guys to use exactly the base code 21, and I'm hoping you guys to boom. And then I give you this number 147, and then the base code number is 759. If you fail today, trust me, I'm gonna be surprised, because guys, I've taught you enough on this game. So we must be behind instead of being ahead. If we become ahead, UK49 will spot us and then they'll destroy the draws. We end up not booming. So this is what it is, guys, for today. Thank you very much. And for those of you who want to join my group, the group is still open. You can still purchase your books. As usual, there's nothing that has changed. So the number is 078 126 0741. I'm telling you guys, yesterday we hit both draws with one code, both draws, lunch and tea time. So thank you very much, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I need to rush to church. Thank you.